Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an inner tie rod on a Toyota Camry. First, prioritize safety by using jack stands to secure your vehicle after lifting it. Before lifting, remember to loosen the lug nuts on the wheel. Gather all your tools, including an inner tie rod removal tool, and ensure the steering wheel is locked. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's remove the old inner tie rod. Begin by taking off the wheel, then disconnect the outer tie rod end from the steering knuckle. It's important to mark the outer tie rod's position on the threaded shaft to help with reassembly and initial alignment. Next, slide off the protective inner tie rod boot. Finally, use your inner tie rod removal tool to loosen and remove the old inner tie rod from the steering rack. With the old part removed, it's time to install the new inner tie rod. Apply a small amount of thread locker to the threads of the new inner tie rod before carefully threading it onto the steering rack. Use your specialized tool to tighten it securely. Next, install the new inner tie rod boot, ensuring it's properly seated and secured with new clamps. Finally, reattach the outer tie rod end to the inner tie rod, aligning it with your previous mark. To finish up, reinstall the wheel and securely tighten the lug nuts. Carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands. It is absolutely crucial to get a professional wheel alignment as soon as possible after this repair to ensure proper steering and tire wear. After alignment, take your car for a short test drive to confirm everything feels correct and the steering is responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.